Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on quadratic trinomials. Before this video, I have already done 2 videos on quadratic trinomials, so you can check that one out. Now the first question we are coming to solve is 3x squared minus 10x plus 8. As I said, a quadratic trinomial is any expression in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So ax squared plus bx plus c, any expression in this form is a quadratic trinomial, and the trinomial means 3 terms. So here 3x squared minus 10x plus 8. Now the 10 are called coefficients. So the coefficient of the x squared is 3, and also the coefficient of the x is -10, and the c here is a constant, or is a constant. Now the first thing we have to do is that you need to multiply the coefficient of the x squared, this x squared, by the constant. So what that means is that you need to multiply that number in front of the x squared, which is the 3, by the constant, which is the 8. So 3 times 8 is going to give us 24. Now after getting this 24, you then try to find 2 pairs of numbers, or 2 numbers, such that after you've multiplied them, you're going to get 24, and then after you've added them, you get -10s or -10. So let's try and find 2 numbers that multiplies to get 24, and then also after adding we get -10. Now those 2 numbers are called factor pairs. Now we know that 1 times 24 gives us 24. Also -1 times -24 gives us 24, and also -2 times -12 gives us 24, and also 2 times 12 will also give us 24. And then we know that 3 times 8 will give us 24, and also -3 times -8 will give us 24. Also 4 times 6 will give us 24, and then -4 times -6 will give us 24. Now all these factor pairs, after you've multiplied them, you are going to get 24. But among them, which one do you think that after you've added them, you're going to get -10s or -10? Now let's try the last one and see. So -4 times -6 will give you -24. -4 plus -6, so negative will give you -10. So among all these factor pairs, the last one satisfies what you want, because after you multiply -4 and -6, we are going to get -10. Sorry, we are going to get -24, and also after you've added them, you're going to get -10. Now we are going to replace the -10s with -4 and -6. So by here the 3x squared and also the 8 is going to remain. So it's going to be 3x squared minus 4, and then we add s to it to be -4s, and then -6, and then we add s to it to be -6 plus 8. So we have 3x squared minus 4x minus 6s plus 8. Now the next step is that we are going to put the first 2 terms, this one, and then the last 2 terms inside a parenthesis. So 3x squared minus 4x inside one parenthesis. Now here we have a negative here, or subtraction here, or minus sign here. Now you're putting this one, but always whenever you have a negative sign here, you need to change the operation in front of the constant. So we need to change the addition sign here to be -8. So we have 3x squared minus 4s minus, and then 6s minus 8. Now we are going to factorize the common factor out. So between these 2 terms, which one do you think is the common factor? So I think the x here is the common factor. So you're going to factor the s out, and here is going to become 3x minus 4. Now there's no need for you to factor here. Just write the 3s minus 4 also inside this bracket. Now when you do that, you try and find a number that when you multiply it by the 3s, you're going to get a 6s, and also when you multiply by 4, you're going to get 8, and that number will be 2. So 2 times 3s will give you 6s. 2 times -4 give you -8. Now here we need to write here, so you have x here, we're writing this x, and then we come and take the -2, so x minus 2, and then 3x minus 4. So this will be our final answer. Now you can go ahead and also expand this bracket that you had here. You can expand this one. If you get the original question, it means you are correct. Let's move on to the second one. Now the second one, we have 5x squared plus 13x plus 6. So let's go ahead and multiply the 5 and 6. So 5 times 6 will give us 30. So between all this, so you can go ahead and list the factor pairs of 30 that can multiply to give you the 30, and also after adding you get 30. But for want of time, 3 times 10, or 3 and 10, 3 times 10 will give you 30. 3 plus 10 will give you 13. So I think this will be the right one. So we are going to replace the 13s with 3s and then 10s. 5x squared plus 3x plus 10x plus 6. Then 5x squared plus 3x inside one bracket, and also 10x plus 6s plus 6 inside another bracket. Now we factorize the common factor out. X here, 5x plus 3. Now here we can factorize the common factor out, but I think you just need to write the 5x plus 3 here. So 5x plus 3, and then 2 here. So 2 times 5x will give you 10x, and 2 times 3 will give you 6. X plus 2, and then 5x plus 3. The next one, we have 6x squared plus 11s minus 10. 6x squared plus 11s minus 10. Now we multiply the 6 and then the negative 10. You're gonna get negative 60. So what two numbers do you think that after you've multiplied them you are going to get negative 60, but after adding them you're gonna get positive 11? Now let's try negative 4 and then 15. Negative 4 times 15 will give you negative 60, and negative 4 plus 15 will give you 11. So we're going to replace the 11s with negative 4s and then 15s. So it's going to be 6s squared minus 4s plus 15s minus 10. 6s squared minus 4x inside one bracket, and also 15x minus 10 inside another bracket. We'll try and factorize the common factor out. So 2x here and 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 plus 3x minus 2. 5 here. So finally we have 2x plus 5 and then 3x minus 2. The very last question we have here is 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. So straight away we multiply the 4 and then the 9 to get 36, and then you try and find the factor pairs, negative 6 and negative 6. Now here you can go ahead and list the factor pairs. I don't want to make this video long, that's why I've listed the factor pairs, but you can go ahead and try all the factor pairs to see the actual one. So negative 6 times negative 6 will give you positive 36, and then negative 6 minus 6 will give you negative 12. So let's replace negative 12s by negative 6s and also negative 6x. So 4s squared minus 6s minus another 6x plus 9. 4s squared minus 6s inside one bracket. Now don't forget here we have negative here, so we need to change the addition sign to be negative. 6s minus 9. Now here we factorize the common factor out. So 2x here, and then here we have 2x minus, so 2s and then minus 3 minus here 2x minus 3. So here there's no need for you to factorize the common factor out here, just write what you had here, and then let's try 3. So here now we go ahead and write 2s and negative 3. So the final answer is gonna be 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3, and then 2x minus 3. Now let's prove whether our answer is correct. 2x minus 3 multiply 2x minus 3. We want to expand our final answer, whether you are going to get the 4s squared minus 12s plus 9. So this 2s will multiply, so 2s times 2s will give you 4s squared, and then 2s times negative 3 will give you negative 6s here, negative 6 and here, and positive 9. 4s squared, negative 6s minus 2 minus 6s will give you negative 12x plus 9. So when you compare when you expanded our answer, you got the same expression. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment for more videos like this.